Hey, I don't know how this is going to sound, but the microphone kind of broke and sounded really bad last time. And this time I've got about 10 minutes. So instead of trying to set something up, I'm just gonna play with the Android mic. Sorry. Okay. I worry about the sound, the game sound being too quiet. Oh no, it's probably way too loud. It seems fine actually. On the last couple, my voice was way too loud, so that's what I'm more nervous about. I think that might be my first death in the series. Oh no! Okay, not my first death. I think that might have been my first kill in the series. I plan to start the actual, original Dadish game soon. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday. No promises. That, I think, has... No! Okay, violence! I chose violence! And then died. Okay. I think yesterday I got 2 first tries in a row, so this is actually more part of the course. Not that I know what that phrase means. Is that a golf thing? Part of the course. Yeah, that sounds like a golf thing. I deserved that. I don't know why it's so funny that Miss Cupcake died again. In fairness, she is creepy. Captain Burger, King Burger, that makes sense. Okay, this should be so easy. Why can't I just do it? Maybe because it's a little slow. I'm a little slow. Okay. I am. Okay. See that blue bar on the bottom? I used to think I could click the green dot at the upper right and it would just work. Just be like an X. But no, if I click that green dot, I need to deal with the ad. I think it'll try to get me to download it. So I gotta... Oh no! Stuff and things! Oh, that's great! That's amazing! Did I just defeat the ads? I think I just defeated the ads. Oh yeah! I guess I could, actually pay the people who make the game? I think there's a way to pay to turn off the ads, and I'm like 70-30 on it. I think I'm probably gonna do it. Oh, it scares me so much, but middle safe. Okay. And I just jump over. It's fine. It is so scary to me. Okay. And that one has a middle too. I just have to time it. On the low, when it's going down. Oh gosh. Okay. Hey buddy. I want to get a peg leg like a pirate. You'd probably need 2, seeing as you don't have any legs to begin with. Why stop at 2? I want 5 peg legs. 5? Think of how fast I could run. Okay, stage clear. That was pretty good. And I defeated commercials! Yeah, no more commercials. Okay. Bye!